Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk stabilizer sway bar links used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. In order to change the sway bar links on your vehicle, it is necessary to lift the front of the vehicle and to remove the wheels to have complete access to the suspension system. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels, raise the front of the vehicle and put it in the two-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. The sway bar links connect the sway bar to the shock absorbers to always ensure that the wheels remain on the ground. These elements can often get jammed, so use a penetrating oil to facilitate the operation. Start by loosening and removing the lower part of the sway bar link. To do this, take a 16mm spanner and a 5mm Allen key. Stop the rotation with the Allen key and remove the nut using the spanner. Repeat the operation on the upper part of the link. Remove the nuts, then the sway bar link.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new sway bar link axle rod, put it into the lower housing. Tighten the nut using a 16mm spanner and a 5mm Allen key. Finish off the tightening with the torque wrench. Then insert the upper part. You may need to lift the stabilizer bar to be able to fit it in properly. Put the second nut in. Finish off the tightening with the torque wrench. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle, putting it back on the ground before properly fixing them in place. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helps you, like and subscribe.